Good afternoon. The technology that I'm going to talk about today is an improved process for the preparation of olaparib. The lead inventor is Dr. Gautam Panda and the organization he represents is CSIR CDRI. Olaparib, as you all know, Olinparza as it is known, is a PARP inhibitor which is approved for ovarian, breast, pancreatic and prostate cancer. In India, the price range for a 150 mg tablet of olaparib ranges between 428 to 643, which is unaffordable to most of people. What are the market opportunities for olaparib? The olaparib market was valued at USD 3.5 billion in 23, and the innovator company was Kudos Pharma, which was later acquired by AstraZeneca. It has become generic in 24, and the secondary patents are valid till 2031. There are several licensed manufacturers in India like Zydus, Glenmark, Hetero Healthcare, Apazar, Intas, Dr. Reddy's, Natco, to name a few, and there are generic companies like Zydus Cadila and Natco. The existing process which is used for the synthesis of olaparib has several drawbacks, namely phosphonate synthesis and Wittig reaction, use of a genotoxic hydrazine, use of a costly 2-fluoro-5-formyl benzonitrile, and a disadvantage which is a disadvantage for large scale production and more number of synthetic steps, up to 7 synthetic steps. The improved process from CDRI has several advancements and improvement, namely a phosphonate free synthesis. Olaparib has been synthesized using solvents like DMF and ethanol. There are less soluble impurities which are coming from the Wittig reaction earlier used, and a moderate temperature has been required. The estimated cost of raw materials is around USD 3090 per kg of product yield. What is the current status of the technology? The status of the technology is TRL level 4. Lab results have been demonstrated up to 5 to 10 gram scale. They have an Indian patent with the priority date of March 22 and publications around this technology. The value proposition for this method is that there is a higher yield of 51% versus 30 to 46%. Number of steps is lower, 4 versus 7. The estimated raw material cost is comparable to the landed cost, USD 3090 per kg of product synthesized. A higher purity with a lower purification cost, better green credentials in terms of reagents used, atom energy and lower energy use, and the API is included in the PLI 1 scheme. Who should be interested? Pharmaceutical API manufacturers, any new API manufacturers who wish to leverage this PLI scheme, companies who are already manufacturing olaparib and want a better process. Why they should be interested is that there are advantages like cost effectiveness, simple reaction scheme, scalable, and fewer steps are required. The lead inventor is Dr. Gautam Panda, who comes with more than 22 years of biomedical research experience. He has worked on cost-effective synthesis of blockbuster drugs. He is the author of more than 132 publications and an inventor of 10 patents. He has industry collaborations done with Dr. Reddy's, Reliance and Natco. CSIR CDRI has several success stories. It is a premium constituent lab of CSIR under the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. There are more than 13 new drugs which have been discovered and developed, and several success stories as you can see in this slide. They have various industry collaborations. You can see some big names in the slide which is shown. What are the next steps? So it is possible to scale up with support from industry partners from a 10 gram scale to a pilot scale, or even using continuous flow as if required by the industry in partnership with other CSIR labs. What they are seeking is licensees for the technology and IP on as is where is basis, and they're looking for joint development and sponsored R&D partners or scaling up and advancing the technology. In case you need more information, you can reach out to me at the contact details which are outlined. Thank you.